Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a travel blogging platform with Airbnb step by step clearly. To deploy a travel blogging platform using Airbnb, start by selecting a suitable blog. Consider popular options like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace based on your needs. Register a domain name that reflects your travel blog's theme. Choose a reliable web hosting provider if you're using WordPress. Install your chosen blogging platform on your hosting account. Pick a blogging theme that fits a travel aesthetic. Customize your theme to include elements that showcase Airbnb listings. Create essential pages such as About, Contact, and Blog. Set up social media accounts linked to your travel blog to increase visibility. Sign up for an Airbnb affiliate program to earn commissions. Research trending travel topics and write engaging blog posts. Integrate Airbnb listing widgets or links within your content where relevant. Optimize your blog posts for search engines using relevant keywords. Share your blog content on social media platforms to attract readers. Network with other travel bloggers to enhance your online presence. Regularly update your blog with new content to maintain engagement. Monitor your website traffic using analytics tools for insights. Adjust your content strategy based on reader feedback and analytics data. Explore collaborations with other travel influencers to expand your reach. Always stay informed about trends in the travel and blogging industry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.